Dito na lang ako.
Yes, of course. Ayun yung angulo mo. Ayan, okay.
Katabi.
Yeah, Sir V, oh my God, congratulations. This has been dubbed as one of the hardest batches ever. Congratulations because napili mo kung sino yung mga susunod na karapat-dapat na magsuot ng mga corona. But tomorrow, let's just talk about what's gonna go down.
Well, tomorrow is going to be the big day where the Miss Universe Philippines will be chosen. And this year, sabi mo nga, it's a very difficult batch. And alam ko there's going to be a lot of emotions. And kami din mismo, ako nga parang nagpipigil na wag umiyak because I've gotten close to these women the past few months. And they have all been truly amazing. They have amazing stories. They have amazing stories to share. And they are truly role models for the Filipinos.
Who should be the next Miss Universe Philippines in the point of view of the organization?
Every year we always say that the girl who's the happiest and the most fun that night wins. But it's always also the ones that are most authentic and ready to be who they are, to share who they are authentically.
And I just want to ask, of course, it's going to be fan-led. That's something different that we're going to see this time around. How important is it that the fans are fueling of course, the fire of who's going to be at the semis?
Yeah, in the semifinals and all the way to the finals, the fans have really had a say, and it can change the dynamics of the night. It can actually mean a few slots go to the fan votes, and that's quite heartbreaking. But at the same time, it's also a bit exciting for the fans and also the delegates that get in, because truly all of them are deserving to be in the semifinals.
Wow.
And that's not a pageant answer.
Yun nga. Hindi, pero how do you balance that? Because ano tayo ng fan mix, right? And those slots, syempre, may mga sikat talaga more than the others. How would you balance that with the judging of course, the people who will be sitting tomorrow night?
Of course, this is one of the things we really thought throughout. Normally, we only have like 20 semifinalists. But if you notice this year, we have 30 semifinalists. That's one way of adding another 10 so that it balances out the voting and also the judges. But we have 10 that are from Maya, 10 that are from the judges, 5 wild cards from the organization, and we have 5 branded awards.
Wow.
So talaga naka-spread out naman siya. And ultimately, there's going to be one winner. So we feel that it's an equal opportunity for all of them.
That is beautiful. And are you ready? Because sabi nga, ito rin yung isa sa pinakamahihirap na batches. How's the sisterhood treating you? I've asked the girls about this because the fans have always been so passionate when it comes to fighting for the girls.
I think I can speak for all of us when I say that sisterhood is the most important thing for us, especially in our last few days. I feel like we've gotten the closest. So it really has been all about enjoying every single moment that we have left in the past 3 months.
You know, we started off being strangers to one another, and now we're falling asleep next to each other while we're in rehearsals and just really bonding together. So it's bittersweet that it's coming to an end, but whoever ends up winning the crown, we know we'll all be happy for because we've gotten so close throughout this journey.
That's nice.
As much as possible, no, we are excited for tomorrow's last day. We are also sad na parang, we're not gonna do our usual routine where we got to band every day.
That's nice. Siyempre, tatanungin ko rin yung kabilang side. Diba?
Same
Balance
with
lang.
them, bittersweet moment. Pero
Oo.
excited kami for tomorrow, and we make sure that we will do our best.
Grabe.
Well, for me, this is the one thing that I'm looking forward, starting yung press conference namin with all the delegates, our sisterhood talaga. So, iba-iba yung mga nakilala namin, and we met new sisters. And then right now, like, this is going to be our last rehearsals, and then tomorrow is the big day. But we will do our best as well and to give you a good show. So, abangan.
Yay.
And actually, MJ, I just want to add, I want to thank these girls, the amazing 50 that have been truly professional and so hardworking. Wala kami sakit ng ulo, ang babait nila, and they've always been there on time, and we truly love them. Alam mo, sana the fans can support all of them at huwag na silang i-bash. And kung sino yung manalo, sana i-support na lang because they're all representing the Philippines
Alam mo ba,
naman.
tinanong ko yun dun sa mga nag-guest din na nakausap ko the other day. Yun nga, no, sobrang ang lala ng online toxicity, which always happens naman, but still, it has to be put to a stop. I mean, what do you want to say to those passionate fans out there na minsan wala na sa lugar?
For me, I'm so grateful for them kasi mas naging-improve po ako in a way, and I adapt all of the comments, and it is my way para mas mag-improve better po.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Well, for me, yung mga ibang nagbabash is I think you just need to choose the words that you need to spread out. So always choose kindness because you really doesn't know what we've been through. So iba-iba yung mga stories namin. So yun, hopefully that we could create a better community, a better, safer space, especially yung mga online bashing.
I say stop with the bashing. I mean, there's so many ways that we can support the queens that we love. There's no need to spread hate for others because I always like to think one woman's success does not take away from others. So
Exactly. I think we all have our own strengths. So just seeing everyone's strength doesn't have to diminish our own. It actually lets each other build each other up. And we don't need the negativity. We can only bring each other up from there. So just being able to stay positive and stay motivated throughout all of this.
Yes, we all have different perspective. But if you don't have something nice to say, just shh. Because
Correct. Thank you and all the best, ladies. Voltaire. Congratulations.